GoPro Fusion audio. Sucks. How do you fix it? Here we go. So with the current models of the GoPro, this is a 6, I've got a 5, the audio, when they put this rubberized case on it, seemed to be quite largely affected. But there was a bit of a workaround, though it cost money, and that was to add, I should have turned this on before, an external microphone. So there's several in the markets. I've done a couple of videos talking about which ones I personally find my favourites and which ones I don't find my favourites. So let's have a look at this setup here and see how we get on. So what we've got here is what you'd use with your normal GoPro. That's the microphone adapter, and we've got a Boya microphone there, and we've got like a little clip here which goes on. Now it doesn't fit particularly well on this, but you can adjust it. If you've got a pole, you can just adjust it for your pole and you'll have it on there. So let's do two audio tests and see if we can tell the difference. So this is the standard audio from the GoPro Fusion. It has a special kind of speaker system on there. You can do stereo or you can do 3D surround sound. So this is an audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was as far as we got when we first did this video. And now, hopefully, we'll be using the Boya microphone as opposed to the GoPro one. Now, there's a little story behind this, and I need my other camera to show you. So, I showed you this before, and this was the setup. But guess what? When we come to film, it didn't work. But they told me it did work. But it didn't work. So what we've had to do now is add another power bank into the mix and use the microphone adapter, as you can see there. And hopefully now you hear me through the Boya microphone as opposed to the GoPro one. Now I've no way of knowing if this has worked or not, and tragically how the what's it called? The Fusion works. It's like not even easy just to reload your footage and see if it's worked. At least this you can click play back and see if it's worked, but I don't actually have any clue whether this has worked or not. So I'm going to end the video and I'm not sure how to end it. So I don't know. So if this has got the microphone working, this is how to work around to get a microphone attached to your GoPro Fusion using all the adapters. You're going to need a separate power bank as you've seen below, and then it should work fine. Now, this contradicts what I was saying before about attaching it to a stick, really. You can actually get, I've got one of those, a power bank stick. Then you plug it in the top and it will work with the microphone. That's if the microphone is working now. So, if this did work, you get a power bank stick. That's where they got like a power bank built in. Attach this on there. Then you put the clip on the bottom so you can see there. I don't know how much you're going to see of this, by the way. And then that will get the audio you require. Aha, that is a clever workaround if this has worked. If it hasn't worked, well then you can't improve the audio on the GoPro Fusion. So maybe we'll call the video that. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. And just before we go actually, there's some of you thinking, but why would I want this setup? Well, it does depend on what you want to use the Fusion for. 3D sounds fantastic, but if you just want to use it as a bit of a GoPro as well, maybe you've only got one GoPro, and you can use this, because you can obviously move the screen round when you use an overcapture and do lots of cool things like that, which you can't do with a standard GoPro. You can get panning shots and lots just from that one cut. This is why I like the Fusion. As much as the quality is not as good as the 6, say, I would say I really enjoy working with it, and the fact you can overcapture everything, then cherry pick what you want out of it afterwards is absolutely fantastic and works really well for my needs. Anyway, thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and I can't wait to check this out to see if the audio has worked. So if it has worked, you need to add an external power bank to it. That's the only way you'll get the audio on the GoPro Fusion. Interesting. We'll have to go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye! And for the super observant ones out there, you've realised that it didn't actually work. Although adding the power bank did give you the illusion it was working. Basically, you press record and it just did 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, kept on flashing. And that was it. So I was thinking maybe there's not enough power to power the 2 cameras, the battery, the power pack, everything. Obviously, it all must use a lot of power. But it didn't work. Although, when adding the power bank, you did start to get a number reading on the side, which looked like it was actually charging. So I've gone back to GoPro, and although on YouTube they'll tell you the fusion's supported by certain... the fusion's supported by the GoPro adapter for the mic, GoPro say it's not. So even with a workaround, well, for the one I've tried, you can't get the GoPro adapter to work with your Fusion, which is a bit of a bummer really, because like I say, there's certain shots I want to use it to do that kind of thing, so I can have a wide angle and change things. Plus I think if you pointed the mic down, or added like an omnidirectional one with a wind cover, then you would eradicate the sound problems. And if it was in the line of sight, like the pole, how it makes the pole disappear, I dare say the mic would disappear as well. But there we go. So, bit of a bummer really, but at least we know. Thank you for watching again, and we'll see you soon.